I'm asked about doing reverse tie-dyes quite a bit, so I'm going to go ahead and do one here. I've got several more planned. They'll be dropped out periodically. This is a 100% cotton t-shirt. Since it will be dyed with the Procyon dye, it has not been soaked in soda ash, and it is currently dry. I'm going to do a spiral and scrunch combination, so I'm going to do partial spiral and then scrunch the rest of it up around. I have another video that's like that as well with the regular method. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use some chopsticks here to just get this started. Alright, so I'm going to stop right about there, and we'll go ahead and scrunch out from this. This is really close to this edge. Might go ahead and, there we go. We'll go for a scrunch from here. Alright, there we have it. Off to dye. I have it in a plastic bowl that is heat resistant, at least to the boiling point of water. And I'm using Out-White Bright as my bleaching agent. I'm just going to sprinkle a light dusting over everything and then pour boiling water over the top, see how it looks, and determine if I need more layers or not. Alright, I'll go ahead and sprinkle it on. And add the water. Alright, I'm going to let that sit for a bit, and then we'll wash that out with... Alright, I'm going to dump this and just rinse this in water. Alright, I'm going to throw this in the washing machine, wash it out, and then we'll go to the next step. Alright, it has been washed and then soaked in soda ash for about 20 to 30 minutes and then spun out until it's damp. Looking at it, I probably shouldn't have done so many layers of the Out-White Bright because it's less black left than I had planned on. We'll go ahead and move forward anyway. So I've got it turned inside out since I'm going to be ice dyeing, so I'll go ahead and spiral this up and we'll go from there. Alright. Off to dye. Alright, for this I'm going with fuchsia, daffodil, sea glass, and brilliant blue. And these are all from Dharma. Alright, I'll let that sit and melt through, and we'll take a look and see where to go from there. Alright, it's been over 24 hours. Let's go ahead and do the swash out. Alright, here's a first look. I'll throw this in the wash, and then we'll take a final look. So here's the front, and the back. Alright, so like I said, after the first step, probably added too much of the Outright Bright because I didn't leave much black in here at all. But the parts that are left do add dimension to the overall design. Now, with the Outright Bright, are you going to be able to get back to white on the shirt versus the black? It depends on the shirt, the brand, even the batch of that shirt within that brand. In this case, this is much better than bleach. With the Gildan, I believe these are G200s. With bleach, it comes out as a orange color, and with the Outright Bright, these come out as this off-white, light gray, maybe tannish, kind of depends. Anyway, that kind of color, and I think it looks much better than that orangish color that you get with bleach, and you can see it acting instantly versus the bleach where you don't see that. I think it looks good overall. The scrunch with the spiral, I don't really have much else to say. The yellow was maintained in this, which is pretty good considering another one I was doing at the same time, the yellow was not maintained. So it was actually separated enough in this design. I did go with different colors than I normally use, and it's more of a, I wouldn't say pastel, but a lighter color than the bright colors that I normally use in the designs. So, let me know what you think down below, and until next time, thanks for watching.